Hello everyone, you're watching Miss Binary Trading. Guys, I also have a Telegram channel where I post about my trading and share parts of my lifestyle. Make sure to check it out and subscribe. I'll be very happy to see you there. I'll leave the link in the description below this video. On this channel, we trade binary options, test different strategies, use analytical tools, and explore everything related to trading. Today, we're going to dive a little into both theory and practice because I get the same question very often in my Telegram account. How do I choose the right signal to open a trade? So first of all, notice that today is a weekend, which means we'll be using OTC assets for trading. The vfxAlert app also provides OTC signals. To enable them, we need to go into the filters and select OTC signals specifically for Pocket Option. After that, the signals will appear in the list. Take a look, we already have several signals available, and you can open a trade literally in one click. At first glance, it may seem like I'm opening trades without any strategy or analysis, and at the same time, that's both true and not true. Yes, I do rely on the high accuracy of the signals, but the main question is, how do you know whether a signal is strong or potentially inaccurate? I choose the signals where the heat map shows the highest probability of accuracy. Pay attention to the scale at the bottom. When the scale is green, the signal is considered stronger. Usually that means the accuracy is 70% or higher. If the scale turns orange or red, the probability of an accurate entry becomes much lower. All the information about how this signal rating system works is available on the vfxAlert website. I'll leave links to the instructions and explanation in the description below the video. Let's repeat it once again to lock it in. We choose a signal with a green heat map and open a trade with one click on the signal. By the way, keep in mind, today is Saturday for me, but this video will be uploaded on a weekday after editing. I'm recording this video specifically to answer a subscriber's question: how to choose a signal for opening a trade. And one more important thing. Since today is a weekend, the Forex market is closed, which means regular Forex assets cannot be traded right now. However, the vfxAlert app offers not only Forex signals, but also crypto assets and OTC assets for Pocket Option. If you still have questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I personally try to reply to everyone. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. As you can see, the second trade also closed in profit. Thank you to everyone who watched this video until the end. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye everyone, and happy trading!